They said legends can't be reborn. Then the streets heard that cold start growl and everything changed. Low stance, wide hips, long hood staring down the asphalt like it owns the night. The Toyota Supra Mark V didn't show up to play it safe. It showed up to shake modern performance culture. For Motor Axis, this isn't just another sports car. This is a statement on wheels. The Supra name has always meant speed, tuning, and late-night pulls. What started as a 90s street legend came back with modern tech and ruthless performance baked in. The MK5 carries that legacy forward with a sharper edge and a hunger for speed. Under the hood lives a turbocharged inline-six pushing serious power from the factory, 382 horsepower and a thick wall of torque that hits hard in the mid-range. Stomp the throttle and the rear squats, traction fights for its life, and the speedometer starts climbing like it's late for something. 0 to 60 drops in the low 4-second range, and with the right tires, real-world launches get even nastier. Rear-wheel drive, near-perfect weight balance, and a short wheelbase give it that planted point-and-shoot feel through corners. High-speed stability stays rock solid, and the brakes bite hard when it's time to shut things down from triple digits. The design screams modern muscle mixed with track day menace. Long hood, aggressive headlights, wide fenders stretched over fat rubber. This car looks fast standing still. Inside, it's all business. A driver-focused cockpit, deep bolstered sports seats that lock you in under hard cornering, a digital cluster that feeds you boost and revs, and paddle shifters that snap off quick, violent upshifts. It's comfortable enough to daily, but the moment sport mode is on, the whole vibe flips to attack mode. The MK5 Supra didn't just join tuning culture, it lit it on fire. Stock is quick, but tuned is a different animal. A basic ECU tune wakes it up into the 430 to 450 horsepower range. Add a downpipe, intake, and upgraded intercooler, and the turbo starts singing louder, while the pull gets way more aggressive. Big turbo setups push these builds into wild territory, with street cars making supercar-level power. Coilovers drop the stance and sharpen turn-in. Wider wheels and sticky tires turn every on-ramp into a grip test. Drift builds throw smoke in full sideways chaos. Drag builds squat hard and launch like a slingshot. Modern tech keeps the chaos controlled. Drive modes flip the car from calm cruiser to full savage. Traction and stability systems let you play right on the edge, then save you when things get sketchy. Throttle response sharpens, the exhaust note gets deeper and angrier, and the whole car feels like it's begging to be pushed harder. The Supra name has always been about potential. The MK5 proves that potential didn't disappear. It evolved. This is a car built for people who don't just chase numbers but chase feeling. The kind of feeling you get when boost builds, tires dig in, and the road starts shrinking in the rear view. On Motor Axis, the MK5 Supra stands as a modern classic in the making. Legends don't fade, they level up, and when that boost hits and the tax swings for redline, there's only one question left. How far are you willing to push it before it pushes back?